Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about another telegram airdrop guys. So the airdrop is midasRWA only. So we're going to see in this video how you can accumulate points now. It could be later converted into airdrop also. Okay, so before we see about it, this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and like this video and continue watching it. And this is our telegram channel guys. Here only we'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link, everything. Okay, so make sure to follow us here also. With that being said, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, about this project, they have raised literally $13.75 million in the total funding round, and it is like internet native investing kind of project. So we're going to participate in this airdrop and I'll show you guys step by step process how you can participate in this one. So the link will be given in the description. Just click on the link, it will take you to the telegram bot. So all you have to do is just click on this get started. So once you click on the get started, it will be initiating the farming mechanics and all. Okay, so we just need to wait for a few minutes, then it will be opened. Okay, so then what we can do is we can start accumulating these points. Okay, so initially here you can see 10 points you got, and then 3 tabs also we got. So just click on continue, and once you click on continue, now what you have to do here is basically come to this bot every single day and tap here, and then you will be able to earn it. Okay, so just click on start and keep tapping, and then we'll be able to earn the points. Okay, so like this you gotta do it every day. So initially you can do this tapping, and apart from that you can see in the below task will be there. Okay, so just click on the task, and in the task section you can complete so many tasks. For example, here you can see if you boost them you will be able to get 200 gm, and then if you do this retweet in the thread, now you'll be able to gain another 100 extra gm. Okay, so just click on start, it will take you there and do the process and come back here again, and then once you come back here you will be able to claim the points. Okay, so it's loading, we'll be able to claim it. And in the weekly session here you can see, if you just check on the Twitter page, okay, Midas Twitter page, and then just come back here, and even this will be done, we'll be able to claim this point also. And then here you can see it will tell you to connect your wallet. Just click on and connect your telegram wallet. Just give the password and click on connect, and your telegram wallet will get connected. For this we'll be able to claim 500 gm points. Okay, and just click on claim, it will get claimed. And again once it got claimed, no, just go back to the weekly also, just claim the point, and here in the new session also we'll be able to claim all the points. Okay, so just claim it, and then come to this if you buy this one we'll be able to get 2500 gm points, but I will not recommend you to invest any money here. So the next thing is social. In the social section here you can see a lot of tasks are available. For example, you need to boost the Midas on the telegram and subscribe to the Midas telegram. Just go click here, it will take you to their telegram account. Just go there and join there, and again come back here. Okay, after you join there and come back here and click on claim, we'll be able to claim the points for that. And like that, here you can see so many tasks are available. Follow them on the Twitter account, and follow the CEO on the Twitter, and follow the head of the product on Twitter. So if you follow them on all of these platforms, no, and then you need to go and subscribe them on the YouTube also and LinkedIn also. And if you do these things now, you will be earning good amount of points. And apart from that, you can invite friends. By inviting also you'll be able to earn points for that. Okay, so in the last session is farming. Here also you'll be able to earn the points for, like, you know, the 2-day streaks, and earn 100 gm points, and use the yielder. It is not yet available, it will be coming soon. Okay, yielder will be here, so soon it will be coming. So apart from that, in the home session, click on the start tapping, and then tap here every day. Okay, so every day you'll be getting a new three extra tapping thing. So just use those tapping and then earn as much gm as you can. So in the end, the points that you're accumulating, no, so for this you will get some sorts of reward in the future. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video. I just wanted to make a quick video about this particular airdrop. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, click the like button. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Until then.